Today we're here to raise a POW MIA flag, which is just a symbol that we as the American public have not forgotten those men and women who gave the ultimate sacrifice of their life and have not been returned home to their families.
Dark clouds can hide the rising sun, and all seem lost when all be one.
The history of the flag it started with the American League of Families. They were the families of the MIAs and the POWs, and they designed the flag. They had a person design the flag. We still have 81,700 men and women missing in action and unaccounted for.
To me, this means that the people that govern Fort Pierce actually are aware of the plight of the POWs and MIAs. So Fort Pierce has stepped up to honor those men and women that are yet home, and by raising the flag, it symbolizes their belief in what we are doing.